Hiya, so I'm Luke Sinclair from the Adecco Group, and my role here is the Legal Operations Manager for EMA, and I'm basically the bridge between the systems and the people. Our goal overall as a workforce solutions company is to bring contracting to simplify it and make it easier for everyone involved. We have default emailing, so Outlook emailing, fragmented processes that were broken and different across all regions. And then there was the users just the data being incorrect. So the data is incorrect from the beginning, the system will never work. We started in 2025. We started a contract with Icertis and Whatfix to help us as the COM and our digital adoption platform. Since the 2025, we've had to adapt and change the project because the countries, in a change management perspective, weren't ready. We couldn't get on board with a COM because they've never had it before. And that's how we had to work with Whatfix to bring in the guidance to actually start speaking to our learning and development teams of how that country actually learns, whether it's through videos, whether it's through guides, even whether it's through the automatic translations on Whatfix that they provide. So instead of having to make 50 different guides, 50 different videos, we can just make one video, one guide, and we can pinpoint and cut from that one workflow. Adecco and using Whatfix, we've got 4 matrix. So we came down with an increase in 40% user adoption, where from the beginning, no one actually knew what COM was. And with the use of Whatfix and their smart tips and their pop-ups and a few other features, we've been able to actually increase our user adoption in COM as well as people using the Whatfix tools. And then another one would be a 98% mandatory clause compliance, where we're guiding them from the beginning. We're using the guidance from Whatfix, and the clauses are actually more accurate, they're more legally approved, and legal and finance are no longer actually part of that approval process because they're already approved from the offset with the guidance from Whatfix. Very, very easy. There isn't really a problem they can't solve. And I say that because every company is different and every user case has different points, and they've got case studies of absolutely everything. If it hasn't been done before, there's a team on site that I'm in contact with on a weekly basis, and I work with our implementation partners as well. So if there's nothing I can't solve, then I'll go to my contacts at Whatfix and I'll use my implementation team as well. So in a world where AI is the topic of every conversation you're in, it's hard to streamline back to what do the users actually need. So what I envision is we're working with Harvey, a legal AI bot that has workflows, and it cuts down all the reviewing and markups for the lawyers. But what we're trying to do is merge Harvey AI with Whatfix. And in that way, when it comes to the self-help or assistance within the portal, we can guarantee that the self-help is the first level of support. We can use that chatbot to push any legal queries through that sales might have if they don't understand the intake, because right now they're populating a smart sheet for legal queries and it's getting too much to manage. I think contract timings will increase by 35%, and I say that because if the sales guys, the sales consultants, have the information at hand, from the offset, then they won't have to bother legal, who are seen as blockers, to then get the contract through and negotiated. So I think once the sales consultant understands a contract themselves, then everyone involved wins and the contract gets out much faster at the end of the day.